Perez, and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from F.A.T. to P.H.A.T. in real time. This right here is P.J., your fitness concierge. He bought equipment. So you're gonna be working out today. It's actually drizzling a little bit out here, but it's not too bad. It's like 56 degrees, which is actually not bad.
And we're waterproof.
Yeah, and we're waterproof. It is a little chilly, but it's not like freezing cold. Don't forget to pick up your journal. You need to pick up your journal where you will put in your intentions for the day and what you're grateful for, do your measurements, do your food journaling, and at the end you will do your measurements to see how far you have come. Since the beginning of this, I have lost 20 inches or so. I haven't measured myself in the last couple of weeks, but I will do it in probably in another month or so. I like to see big numbers.
Right before Thanksgiving.
Yes, oh God.
Oh, yeah.
But then I probably won't want to measure myself after Thanksgiving.
You get a little reprieve for Thanksgiving, and we'll talk all about that.
Yeah, good. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and at the end he could tell us what this Thanksgiving thing means. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Nina Perez and this is P.J., your fitness concierge. P.J. was just talking like a fat person, talk about his pumpkin pie and cherry pie and coconut pie and
banana cream pie and key lime pie and strawberry rhubarb. Listen, I'm telling you, I'm going to show you how to get through the holidays. From Halloween to the first of the new year, you could gain from 10 to 12 to 15
Did you guys hear
pounds.
That? From Halloween, which is next week, to the end of the year, you can gain 12 pounds after all this work?
And that's a lot of sugar, it's a lot of drinking, and here's the thing. I'm not that trainer that tells you, knock it off, don't enjoy it. God gave us taste buds, and taste buds need things to taste. So that's what we're gonna do. And there's something about there's comfort in food. There's, especially around the holidays. 2020 has been crazy, and is still in the crazy isn't over yet. But during the holidays, when you're with your family, like I love to have a little hors d'oeuvre tray, you know, and have smoked fishes and meats and pickled little gherkins and olives and pickled onions. Enjoy all that. Some people like to drink it. I wouldn't waste my calories that way, but I love to drink eggnog. I might have it with a little rum, but I don't like it like that. I don't drink. But if that's your vice, but what I'm going to show you is how to get through the holiday. And Nina's right. I guess I was talking like a fat person, but I'm a foodie. I love great food, and I'm going to enjoy it. And I know how to enjoy it, and then I know, okay, I'm going to indulge a little bit. I'm going to work out a little bit extra. But remember, the math is still the same. 90% is what I put in here. I'm not going to graze for 3 and 4 days. I'll give you prep during the holiday, Thanksgiving, and you got to have that after Thanksgiving, and at a certain point you got to cut off all the leftovers. Shouldn't be eating Thanksgiving leftovers for a week.
While PJ is doing that, I am going to try to create recipes for you guys, holiday recipes for you guys that you can have and have that little extra calories available in case you do want to enjoy something else with your family, whether it's that cornbread and sausage stuffing or whatever it is. I make a slamming good cornbread leeks and sausage stuffing. It's insane.
See, I put apples and cranberries in mine.
Okay, well. I don't do that, but but anywho, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make more episodes for you guys to enjoy, and so that way you guys can really think about how you're gonna think about the holidays. This is going to be my first time going through this in the mindset of trying to be healthier and a healthier person. So we're gonna probably struggle through this together, and that's okay. We're probably gonna have a day where we're gonna, oh man, I messed up really bad. But that's when you have to decide whether you're gonna continue that, like he said, or like graze the whole day all the time, or are you really gonna stop and say, okay, I had my fun. Now it's time to get back to get healthy, right?
Because then you got Christmas coming, so you know what? Listen.
Yeah.
It's like you don't want to spend Thanksgiving to Christmas lamenting of your food choices, and then get to Christmas and be like, I'll start again in the New Year's.
And that's what we do all the time. That's what I do all the time. And so 20 years has gone by. The New Year has yet to come, you know? Because every year it's like, I'll start January. Well, January comes and goes. I'll start February. February comes, I'll do it 3-4 weeks, and it falls off, and so on. I don't want to do that this year. In fact, I just want to make sure that we keep going. I want to make sure we keep going.
Absolutely.
So if you guys want to join our community, please make sure that you email me at hello@memoirsoffatgirl.live. You can also go on memoirsoffatgirl.live and look at our merch. Go on there and look about our journal. You can read about what we're doing, recipes, all kinds of great stuff on there. I will make sure to link PJ's information below so that you guys can reach out to him too, because you're going to need a personal trainer after your big ass go ahead and eat shit you're not supposed to eat.
It's so good.
Because I know that I need him in my life. So he is amazing. He absolutely is amazing. And you can see it with your own eyes, the transformation of the people in this group. If you go back and watch even all the workout videos from one, you will absolutely see the transformation.
Myself included. You know, COVID-19, I gained some weight, you know, and you get to a place, everybody's off their rhythm.
Yeah.
It happens, and it ebbs and flows. It's just you don't want to stay off that reservation too long.
Yeah.
Because
and
then,
I do. I used to.
And what's going to help now is the accountability of our entire group.
Yeah.
You know,
that's
it's
been
just
very
like,
helpful to me.
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh.
And without me prompting it, everybody keeps everybody like, we're at the workout, we're doing this, we're doing that, and people are here, even if they have work issues and they're like, I'm coming, start without me, I'll be there. And that's what it's all about.
Well, I mean, PJ, you know, to be quite frank, I mean, when I speak to the people outside of being in the workout group, that's the one thing that they say, that without you, they wouldn't become accountable. So you're like the main feature of making us accountable to what we're doing, you know? So, you know, it's important for you to have someone who partners with you, and we're here to partner with you. We want to grow this healthy community, so make sure you subscribe below, click like, make sure that you share the videos, and make sure you click that little bell notification so you don't miss one when they come out, all right? So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.
Fat out.